find out on April sale. Deal. On TV. All the latest generation top brand models. On technology. Audio, computers, smart home, phones, drones. On kitchen and laundry. Now's the perfect.
Alright, so I've really made some progress on this kind of chest mount GoPro adapter type thing. So now I need to basically measure from anywhere here on my side to the back, because I've got to put the little supports here. So luckily I'm an avid eBay shopper, so I can basically just measure using one of these like a seamstress tape measure type thing. So I'm going to just there it is there, a little bit of slack, and so that's right about there. So that would be 97 centimeters or 29 inches. So now we know I need two pieces at, I'm just going to go 30 just for the sake of it, an extra inch, then I'll trim off the excess. But coming along really well. It's looking pretty pretty Mad Max-ish, if I don't say so myself. So I got the harness all sewed and complete. So basically what it is it'll just go over my shoulder, and the tricky bit was the straps, because they're reversed in a sense, because they have to be flush on the back side of me. So it'll go over like that, clips on the back here. Clips on the back, and it just sits like that. Now I can adjust downwards here, and I can also adjust here, but that's how it looks. The straps are a little loose, that's why I usually just pull it down like that, and it'll sit right above my right below my chest. So that's it.